guys, in this tutorial we are discussing about the second type of operators. Okay, we are discussing about the second type of operators, that is nothing but relational operators. Okay, relational operators. Okay, when it comes to relational operators, we have four different kinds of relational operators available in Python. Okay, let us see all those one by one. Okay, first symbol is greater than. Okay, greater than. Second one is less than. Third one is greater than or equal to, and fourth one is less than or equal to. Okay, so these are basic mathematical operators only. Okay, I hope all of you know this all of you know these operators in mathematics. Okay, same thing we can apply in Python also. Okay, let us see how these will work in Python with a few examples. Okay, let me go to the ideally and then I'll show you how this will work. Suppose now I'm creating two variables, x equal 10 and y equal to 20. Now my x value become 10 and y value become 20. Now I'm first relationship relational operator I'm explaining is nothing but greater than. Okay, greater than. Now in this greater than, what happens? Now x value is 10 greater than y. Okay, x value is what? 10. Y value is what? 20. Actually 10 greater than 20? No, right? So 10 is not greater than 20. So obviously in this case, okay, in this case my output should be false because that condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, so it is false. Now let me explain one more example. Now I have x value. Okay, I have x value called 200. Let us think that it is 2. Okay, I have a value called as 200. Okay, I'm checking whether it is greater than 111. Okay, if it is okay, 222 is greater than 111, right? So in this case, okay, in this case obviously it is true because the two numbers which we are checking is obviously true, so it will return true. Okay, so in this case it will return true. Now next operator, okay, now next operator which we are talking about is less than. Okay, less than. This is nothing but less than. So how less than will work, we will see. Now x value is what? 10 and y value is 20. So 10 less than 20. This is the condition what it is going to check inside that. So 10 less than 20. So in this case 10 is obviously less than 20, right? So in this case it is written, okay, it will return true because the condition is getting satisfied here. Okay, so here it is true. Okay, in this case it is definitely true. Now let us check one more thing. Okay, 222 less than 111. Okay, 222 less than 111. In this case, okay, in this case this condition is not getting satisfied, right? In this case this condition is not getting satisfied at all. So in this case obviously it is false because 222 is greater than 111. It is not okay, less than 111. So in this case it is obviously false. Okay, so in this way we can work with less than. Now let me take you to the next operator called as greater than or equal to. Okay, this is nothing but greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. Let us see how this will work. Now think that x value is also 10 and y value is also 10. Now x greater than or equal to y. See, whenever greater than or equal to should be true means it should satisfy any of these two conditions, whether it should satisfy equal to condition or else it should satisfy greater than condition. In this way, okay, in this case my x value is what? 10. Okay, 10 and my y value is also 10. So 10 greater than or equal to 10. So in this case what is the output? 10 greater than or equal to 10. So of course greater than condition is not getting satisfied, but equal to condition is getting satisfied, right? So in this case, in this case obviously it is true because any one condition is satisfying means that's true only. Okay, 10 greater than or equal to 10. Okay, equal to condition is satisfying, that's why it is true. Now think that 20 greater than or equal to 10. So in this case 20 is obviously greater than 10. Of course it is not equal to 10, but at least one condition is getting satisfied, right? Greater than condition is getting satisfied. So obviously in this case output should be true only, because 20 is greater than 10. So see, in this way we can work with greater than or equal to operator. Now let's move to the last operator, that is nothing but less than or equal to. Okay, that is nothing but less than or equal to. Let's see how this will work. Okay, less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. Let's see how this will work. Okay, x value is what now? 10, and y value is what? 20. Y value is also 10, right? So let's work with this condition. Okay, less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to x less than or equal to y. X value is x value is 10, and y value is also 10. Okay, 10 less than or equal to 10. So less than or equal to condition should get satisfied, means whether it should be, okay, whether it should be less than or equal to. Okay, any one of these conditions should satisfy. Okay, any one condition among these should get satisfied. Since equal to condition is getting satisfied, it should return true. Okay, since equal to condition is getting satisfied, it should return true. See, in this case, okay, so in this way it will return true because equal to condition is getting satisfied. Now 10 less than or equal to 20. Okay, in this case, of course equal to condition is not getting satisfied, but at least one condition, okay, less than condition is getting satisfied, right? So if any one of the condition is getting satisfied, obviously it will return true only. So in this case, less than condition is getting satisfied, so it is a true only. Okay, it is true because less than condition is getting satisfied. Now here I want to cover few more points, that is nothing but we can apply these relationship operators not only for integers. Okay, we can apply these relationship operators for Boolean values also. Okay, let us see how we can apply these relationship operators for the Boolean values. Okay, so before applying for the Boolean values, let me cover you one point here. Okay, true in Boolean data types, true will be considered as 1. Okay, true will be considered as 1 inside memory, and false will be considered as, okay, false will be considered as 0 inside memory. Okay, inside memory false is 0 and true is 1. Now in this case if I check a true greater than true, so in this case true greater than true, 1 greater than 1. So now in this case what is my output? Okay, in this case what is my output? So 1 is not greater than 1, right? So the condition is not getting satisfied, so obviously in this case output is false. Okay, output is false. Let me check another condition. Okay, true less than true. So true 1 less than 1. Here also condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, in this case also condition is not getting satisfied, so obviously output is false only. Okay, now let us see other condition. Okay, true greater than false. Okay, true greater than false. True is 1 and greater than 0. Okay, 1 is obviously greater than 0, right? So in this case obviously it will return true. Okay, 1 is greater than 0, so in this case it will return true only. Okay, now false less than true. Okay, false less than true. False is what? 0 less than 1. So 0 is obviously less than 1, right? So 0 is obviously less than 1. So obviously in this case also it will return true only. Okay, now let us see greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Okay, true greater than or equal to true. Okay, since equal to condition is getting satisfied. Okay, 1 greater than or equal to 1. Here equal to condition is getting satisfied, right? So obviously it will return true only. Okay, now let me take you to another thing. Okay, less than or equal to. True less than or equal to false. Okay, and now true is what? 1. 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay, 1 is not equal to 0, 1 is not less than 0. So obviously in this case it will return false. Okay, in this case it will return false. Okay, let me explain with one last example. Okay, false greater than or equal to true. Okay, false is 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1. So 0 is obviously not greater than or equal to 1. Okay, 0 is not greater than or equal to 1. So in this case again it is false. Okay, in this case also again it is false. So in this way we can work with relationship operators with both the integers, also with the boolean values also we can do with, okay, we can work with the relationship operators. I hope all of you understand this concept. Thank you so much. Bye.